Warren Edward Buffett, born in Omaha, Nebraska, is considered to be the best investor in modern history. He is the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. According to Forbes, his net worth is $101.9 billion in 2021. This great man, kind of him, has given many advice to young people who want to be rich and successful. In this video, we will explore 5 of them. And if you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel to have access to educative content just like this one. There are more educative content coming your way, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification. According to Warren Buffett, fixing your bad habits will help you in your success journey. Everyone has a bad habit, we know. It can be a habit of procrastination, overspending, bad eating habits, and many more. Since we know our bad habits, if we don't fix them now, it will ruin our success in the future. With this, he said, I see people with self-destructive behavior pattern. They are easily entrapped by it. This bad behavior entraps people, so unless you do something about it, you always remain at where you are and you will not improve in your life as people are going higher and higher. So you have to fix our bad habits in order to improve our lifestyle. When you change your habits, you change your lifestyle. Talking about patience, Warren Buffett once said, no matter how great the talent or effort, some things just take time. You can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. That's a very good advice to young people whose intent is to be rich. No matter how great the talent or the effort you have, you still have to be patient sometimes. People ruined their life because they weren't patient enough to wait for the right time. As a young person, don't make rash decisions or do not be entrapped into the get-rich schemes you will end up regretting. If there is any advice I recommend for you, is to be patient. Having patience will help you to take calculated risk, and then you have to always remember that good things always take time. So be patient when you work out for something and then the result did not come out just as you want. Wait and try the next time. Have patience and keep on trying. Then you will succeed in whatever that you are doing. No is regarded as one of the most powerful and hated words. But some things and some people just need to hear it every day. Look around you. What do you spend most of your time doing? Social media, TV, and many unproductive things. You have to say no to all this in order to succeed. You won't keep control of your time unless you can say no, Warren Buffett once said. You can't let other people set your agenda in life. Say no to unmotivated people and destructive things like TV, social media, and all other things that doesn't profit you or help you in your success journey. Young people always try to be everything for everyone. Not knowing what you love makes you indecisive because your decision will be based on people's lifestyle. Before you can do something and do it better, you have to develop a passion for it. Talking about passion, Warren Buffett said, without passion, you don't have energy. Without energy, you have nothing. Develop passion for what you do and you get energy to do it better. If you love what you do, it will always keep you, it will always press you to do it and do it better. And then you won't go a day without doing what you love doing. For example, if you're a content creator and you love the content, the type of niche that you do, or if you're a businessman and you love your business, you won't go a day without visiting your business or without creating content. So develop a passion for your business or your content or any endeavor that you are in, and you always get the energy to do it and do it better, and it will be even outstanding. People will wonder how you are doing your own that way because you have the passion for it. Warren Buffett advised the young ones to be self-disciplined because without self-discipline, the advice even given above in this video, you can't incorporate them into your life. So you have to develop a self-discipline. He once said, you don't need to be smarter than the rest, but you need to be more disciplined than the rest. You don't need to be smarter, you don't need to know everything before you start doing anything. But with self-discipline, I know and I am sure that you will succeed in anything that you do, because without discipline, you can't do anything. Without self-discipline, there is nothing that you achieve in life. So you have to discipline yourself. You have to discipline yourself first in order to be part of the 1%. In order to be part of the 1%, you have to do what the 99% are not doing. And what the 99% are not doing is probably they lack self-control. They lack self-discipline. So you have to discipline yourself in order to be part of the 99%. Thank you for watching our videos, and we hope to give you more entertaining, more educative content just like this one. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to our channel and then turn on the bell notification so that you will be updated anytime we upload new content. We love to see you. I've linked a video in the description box which I know you will enjoy, so make sure you check that one out, and I'll see you there. Merci beaucoup, mes amis.